So here we are, 2018 Central Coast Black Dog Ride. As you can see, there's a few bikes around. Normally when I start my bike, it sort of makes a bit of a rumble, but I'm totally drowned out by Harleys today. To say there's a few people wearing black would be an understatement, but it's the Black Dog Ride, I suppose. It's my first one. For those of you not familiar with Black Dog Ride, it's like a national event. I think there's about 130, 140 different rides taking place all over the country today. The idea is that they raise awareness for suicide prevention, mental illness, that sort of thing. But it's really just creating a bit of awareness out on the street. Today, I think there's about, well, there was 330 people pre-registered, about another 150 after that. Wouldn't be surprised if the local news didn't turn up, but currently just queuing, waiting to pull out. It's going to be a hot one today, so hopefully it won't be too long. I don't want to be sitting around here for too long. Yeah, I'll go start recording again just as we move